Hey kitties! So today I'm going to be doing an eating show. I'm just right now going to go grab the things so you guys can come with me. I want to start this more of like a vlog style, and then we'll get into the eating show and discuss some topics. So basically, McDonald's in Canada came out with SpongeBob Happy Meals. Now the States came out with Pokemon Happy Meals and I was wanting one, and now Canada came out with SpongeBob ones and all the Americans are wanting the SpongeBob ones, so it's just a nightmare right now. It's like, what is going on? So I'm gonna make all of the American viewers mad and go get them. Just like you guys made me mad showing me all your Pokemon ones. So let's go get them. Let's see what the hype is. I think I'm gonna get 2 different ones just to like see the toy selection. I know you can just order the toys, but I think it's more fun if you just order them and it's like a surprise, right? We're kids. We're gonna do a Happy Meal eating show. Let's go. Oh guys, here it is. Look at all the different toys. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at them. Okay guys, we're here. I got 2 of them, 2 Happy Meals to eat and just chill with you guys and talk. And Austin got 1 of them. So, woo, these are the chicken nuggets. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what they look like. Let's go a full 360 with these. And on the back, it's the simple red. Okay, so when we take these out, there's the small fries, which legend has it, it's the same as a medium. And the toy we got, it's his house, the pineapple. Ew, I hate when they put the yogurt in here and it gets warm with all the other stuff. What kind of yogurt is this? Strawberry yogurt. I'm gonna put that in the fridge and eat it later. We have 4 chicken nuggets here. Which ones are your guys' favorites? This one's like demolished. He's hanging by a thread. Oh, the like foot shaped one is my favorite. And then we got sweet and sour sauce. Don't get twisted. Yum. Okay, let's check out the toy. Okay, should I open up all the toys as I'm eating? I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna set it off to the side and we will build it and look. Hello? Oh my god, so I just had to end this video because I got a phone call from my doctor and I can't wait to tell you guys about it. So I guess that's what we're gonna talk about today. Let's open up this one. I also did a TikTok on this, so I already know what toy it is, but I don't know what toy's in here. Again, it's a pineapple, so we have 2 pineapples. I was wanting Gary, but whatever. In this one, I got fries and a cheeseburger. And the yogurt, is it the same? Strawberry. These would be good for the mornings, actually. I'm not gonna eat them right now. These are cool. You know, you could put these definitely in your journal. That'd be cool. Like you could cut this out and put it in your journal and then like show what toy you got. I love journaling. I literally haven't journaled for so long. People have been requesting journaling videos. I have a clip filmed, but I want to do more. Like I want to do like multiple things in journaling videos. I just haven't been journaling, honestly. So let's open this last one up together and then we will eat. This one is Austin's, but I just want to see the toy. Oh my god, stop. This is an outrage. This is, are you kidding me? We only got pineapples.
Are you serious? Oh
no Gary, no SpongeBob, no Patrick, no Sandy, no...
We went in 2 to get them. And they just, oh, these guys will take 3 pineapples. Oh my god. So what he got, I'm just gonna leave his food in there. It's just the same thing as the cheeseburger meal. I'm curious, are these all strawberry? Yeah, these are strawberry. Anyway, your meal is here with your toy. Okay.
I'm just gonna go do this eating show.
I wanted Patrick Star.
I wanted Sandy. Like she's a vibe. Also,
wait. There's something in the pineapple. Wait.
What?
Wait.
Oh my god!
They're inside the pineapple. I got Gary. I got Gary.
Stop. There's Gary in here. There's Gary. I got Gary too.
Is there 3 Garys?
I got Gary. I got Gary.
I got Gary.
Okay.
Hey, Gary's pretty cool. Is that Gary too?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I can't open these. They're so ugly to open. Okay, and then this one is, come on.
Big money, no way.
Gary.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we all got Gary.
So I have to put it on my TikTok now and be like, oh, they're not all pineapples. So never mind, we didn't get 3 pineapples. We got 3 pineapples, but inside the pineapples are Gary, 3 Garys. Okay, guys. So I got orange juice and a water because I didn't want any pop or anything like that because I've been having anxiety today. That's pretty much why my doctor phoned, and I want to talk about that because that's literally just what just happened right now. So here are the little, oh my god, my nails are too long for this. Here are the little pineapples built. I'm gonna build one for you guys while I'm eating, but they're just like, you just put them together. Oh, and then they clasp together. Anyway, here's the Gary. He goes in there and he loves his life. So look at him in there. Anyway, you also get stickers. You get this with it too. Also cute for the journal. So let's eat and build this and talk. I need a nugget in my life. What nugget sauce do you guys get? I used to get, there was this kind, now I forget. I think it was Buffalo. And they don't sell it anymore, apparently. I don't know. Why are these nuggets so small? Is it because they're kids ones? I'm so confused. Is there a different sizes? Are there kids nuggets and then regular nuggets?
I don't think so.
Why are they so small? So, I've been having anxiety for the past few days. So today, I was like, I'm just gonna phone my doctor and get a renewal on my prescription. I'm gonna be talking with my mouth open and full of food because it's an eating show. So if you don't like that, I say that every time. Close out of the video, but I'm gonna be talking while I'm eating. Dasani water with it. I didn't know it was gonna be Dasani. I don't like Dasani, but it's water. I phone, and I've had little amounts of anxiety medication, which I started recently. I talked about in the vlogs before, but she only prescribed me like 6 pills. I think it was like Ativan. Anyway, she's the more like cognitive approach, which I've talked about on the vlog channel too, where you like kind of distract your mind and think about, like, you see 5 things, hear 5 things, touch 5 things, which has worked for me for years. But I've only used them in like emergencies, like if I'm having a panic attack, which I have prescribed them like, I don't remember the exact dates. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know what, my worst thing is ages and dates. Like, I don't remember things, just like with ages and dates. I think it was around 4 or 5 months ago, and those 6 tiny little pills have lasted me, like, I took them once a month. Just in emergencies. What? It would just be like if I was having like, I like couldn't breathe, or like I couldn't really eat and I was like, like freaking out, then I would take one. But this weekend, for some reason, I've been having just anxiety, which that's what happens with mental health. And that's what a lot of people don't talk about, is mental health and the issues and the struggles with mental health. And that is sitting down talking, like people go through this and it's like a taboo subject, which I don't know why. The circle nuggets. I like to be a voice and talk about, because it's really important. If you break your arm, you can see that it's broken, so you fix it. When you're having mental health, you can't physically see that. Well, to some extent you can, but like, you know what I mean? Like, it's mental health, mental. So like, you can feel it, you can see it, but it's not visible for other people. Kind of in a nutshell. So a lot of people don't think that it matters as much, or it's not as serious as other physical conditions. So I was like, I need like a refill of even like 1 pill, like even like just like help me so I can breathe. Last night it was so bad, like I couldn't barely do anything. I phoned my doctor first thing in the morning. Her office opened at 8:30. I phoned at 8:31, and they're like, somebody will phone you back. Somebody just phoned me right now while doing this eating show, and it is 1:37 p.m. So I'm like, I tried to go do things in the day to get my mind off of it, and they just phoned me and they were like, sorry, she needs to talk to you. So are you available Tuesday afternoon to talk to you? And I was like, I've already been prescribed these. Like, I'm so weird. This is so weird. Like, I'm not like dissing her practice or anything, but I was like, I'm having terrible anxiety. Is there anything we can do to help this? This is like a SpongeBob eating show I'm talking about. Sad things. Well, I'll hurry it along. And she's like, well, you could go to a walk-in or an emergency room. And I was like, well, it's not like an emergency situation. And I told her, like, I couldn't eat last night. I ate like 2 bites of food and then I just went to bed. I had to shower. I tried to distract myself. But in the morning, I still couldn't eat. I also went out and got me some Starbucks to be cute. And like, I couldn't even drink a second of it. Oh my God, sorry guys. It's all NHL. And she's like, you can phone a walk-in clinic and they'll prescribe you some anxiety medication. A doctor will. And I was like, but my doctor can't? That I've talked to for years about anxiety, who I've already had a prescription, makes no sense at all. Like, I don't know, I'm not trying to be mean, but I like literally, I know you guys always tell me I'm too nice on the phone. I need to stand up for myself. You guys tell me that all the time. And I literally remembered that and I was like, this makes no sense. Like, I wasn't being rude, because like, please don't be rude to people on the phone. Don't be rude to people doing their jobs. She's doing her job. She's literally being told what the doctor said. So I was not being rude. I was just like, this doesn't make sense. I've already been prescribed this medication. I have taken it before. I was like, so now I have to go like the hospital? Like, it's unnecessary, I feel, unless like she needs to like see me for like a physical, but she doesn't. She just wants to talk to me on the phone. And I was like, well, can't she talk to me like today? Like right now? I'm so lost. She's playing with Gary. And then she said the pharmacist, where you want to go pick up the medication from, can prescribe me like emergency like a few pills like right now. I feel like it's not like, it's not an emergency, but I need it like right now and I don't have a refill because I didn't feel like I needed a refill, right? I would have phoned in like I refill my birth control. That's my only other medication that I'm on is birth control. Wow, this is like the perfect size for me, especially for the food too. And these nuggets are so good. Over eating the destroyed one. And I was like, I did actually phone there last night and I was like, is there any way I can get just like a couple of them? Just like help my panic attack right now. And like it's already on file, right? So it's not like I'm trying to ask for something else or like ask for pills or anything like that. And then the guy said, you have to be on it for at least 6 months for us to prescribe an emergency. I was like, oh, because they've done that for me with birth control too, because I forgot to renew, but I had been on it, so they just redo it. So I told that to her, I was like, no, I can't do that. So she told me just to relax. She's like, relax. I wasn't even like freaking out or anything like that. I was just like, I'm like a little bit struggling here. And I'm like trying to distract myself. And she's like, well, just relax for the night. Phone us back if you really need. I was like, okay. Anyway, I don't know. So anyway, I'm over it. If you guys are struggling with mental health, get a second opinion if you feel unsure about something, right? So, oh my God, I want to talk about plus size. So if that triggers anyone talking about plus size, I'm just talking about a specific tweet that I saw. I really want to pop it up here, but if you are triggered by anything plus size or plus size talk, please skip to this in the video. I just think it's really important to share. I'm gonna read out loud like what this said. So it says, on what planet is this plus size? And there's this picture and it said, this girl's name is Barbara Palvin, is finally the first plus size Victoria's Secret angel. She deserves it. And I was like, that's awesome. Like the first Victoria's Secret plus size angel. So I was like, plus size, that's so amazing. Like, oh my God. And then I look at her and I'm like, I don't see the plus size, which is like, I'm not here to like judge somebody's body at all, but I just think this is like putting a really bad image into young children's minds, is that like this girl is plus size. And I'm so confused. Like there are beautiful plus size models, there are beautiful angels, there are like people are all beautiful in general, but like to say somebody's plus size when they literally don't appear plus size, and that's like what all these comments were saying as well. And the reason why I'm talking about it, what the heck? I know they put onions on a kid's cheeseburger. Yum. So the kid's cheeseburger here, it's pickles, cheese, and mustard. No, ketchup. The reason why I want to talk about it was because, oh, let's build this. Well, it's so easy, you just go like this. The comments on the Twitter post were like, if she's plus size, then what am I? And there were like literally hundreds of those comments. Like, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. What am I? And people were putting like, I don't know if you say GIF or GIF, of like whales in the ocean of themselves. Like they were like saying themselves like, because this girl is plus size, and they're like, oh, then what am I? Like, this is disgusting, like I'm sad. So I'm like, I want to talk about this online because I have an audience that might feel the same way, and that's so sad if you do. I don't know if this is like right to put in here. Like, do you put these in here? I don't know what I'm doing here. Do you just like shove these in here? Girl, oh, look at this. This is so cool. Anyway, I hate the labels too. It's like, I don't know, the labels of the modeling, it's like, I feel like everyone's an angel. Like, I feel like every model is already an angel. They're so beautiful. Everyone's beautiful. Everyone's an angel. And to like label somebody plus size and then label someone else not plus size, I don't know. Then there's like good things to it too. And it's like inclusivity. I would just like to know your opinions on it. I wanted to start talking about more like, my nails are like not it for this, sis. I'm gonna dunk the rest of my fries in the sweet and sour sauce. My anxiety today is better. Like I do have an appetite now. I think it's because I haven't like, I literally ate 2 bites of food in almost 24 hours. And going out and like taking my mind off it, which just sounds really bad. The anxiety thing has made me stop thinking about it. But I know as soon as like I sit down, it's gonna start happening again. I don't know, I can like feel it. But I'm really glad and thankful that I do have an appetite right now. It makes me really happy. You guys are beautiful, your bodies are beautiful. And I hate for you guys to think like, you're anything compared to somebody else, or if somebody else is something, then you're compared lesser of that because they're a model. I feel like we're all humans and we all deserve love and respect. It's so important. So here is the little pineapple with the I don't even know if you do that, but I did it. There you go, Gary. Here's your home, Gare. Let's see if our Dasani water bottle will open like Pop does. Like, why does it do that? It always has the most weird smell, like old water. There's like stuff floating in it. Actually, it doesn't taste that bad today. Weird, did they change? Anyway, this is my lunch today. I'm already feeling full. I also watched Demi Lovato's Dancing with the Devil documentary on YouTube. Oh my god, I'm getting so full. Good eating show. Can't even eat. Woo, chug, chug, chug. And it was so... That pickle just came flying out of my mouth. Eye-opening. If you want a good watch about Demi Lovato and which went through a few years ago. I have so much respect for this girl now. Not now, I mean now. I mean, when I watched the documentary, I didn't realize what she had been through and her like perspective on things. I've never really watched like interviews and stuff like that of her. So that's why I'm saying like now I have. And it's so crazy to watch her talk about. I can't. I'm sorry guys. I'm like done eating. I'm not gonna shove it and push myself. Put these in the fridge. Cool. Scan the Smile with the Happy Meal app to watch the SpongeBob clips. Scan the Smile. Like this? You smile here? Am I wrong? Oh, this. You can watch SpongeBob clips. With what? The Happy Meal app. I don't have a Happy Meal app. Girl, I don't need a Happy Meal app. I'd be there every day. Oh, look at that. Just slides on in. Like, I just never heard her side of it and what she went through and her emotions and her point of view and everything. And it was just, I was watching while doing my makeup today and I was just like, oh my god, like this girl's been through so much. And her like honesty in a professional setting was so refreshing. And what I mean by that is like she's one of the biggest celebrities. Like people know who Demi Lovato is, but yet she still said things and was just so open. I was like, I respect this girl like crazy right now. Like I'm obsessed with her. Her interpretation of everything and her honesty was so refreshing. I would go give it a watch if I were you. Everything was like kind of huge that I talked about in this video. I didn't mean for that to happen. It kind of just happened like that. But you know what? I think being open, like Demi was, for instance, in her documentary, for like YouTubers like me to you guys is very important because I could sit here and talk to you guys that I put hair extensions in and this is the curling wand I use and this is the foundation because my skin looks flawless today. Or, oh, do you guys want to know where I get this outfit from? Which I do these things a lot. Or like my lip color or whatever, which is cool. But, and just like talking about SpongeBob Happy Meals and like how I like SpongeBob, my favorite SpongeBob scene and stuff like that. But it is very important, and I do those things, but it's very important to also talk about like life, huge things that affect each of us every single day or affect our loved ones. I'm gonna throw these things away and I'm gonna keep these stickers for my journal. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these little houses. Do you guys have any ideas? It's important to have, when you have a platform, to use it to, I wouldn't say educate because there's so much more education and learning that I can do, but it's good to open up that discussion and have that discussion and have people have their opinions in a good way, in a way where everyone's not bullying or being mean to each other, but it is important. So thank you guys for listening to mine. I have so much more to talk about, but maybe I'll do another eating show soon for you guys. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!